Welcome everybody. We're at Saddlehawk Ranch in Deming, New Mexico. This is a harvest host site, so it is a working ranch. We've got some horsies, chickens, dogs, donkeys we're going to go look at on the other side. And we're backed up here against one of their fences. And the reason we're backed up here is because they have a 50 amp plug back there for me. No water, no sewer. There is a water site up there with 50, but he said it was very noisy, so he thought it would be more quiet here and we don't need the water. So we're just going to take a quick walk around. And yeah, it's dirt, but actually I'm still connected to the truck, guys. It's pretty doggone level there. I did not auto level. I just manually lowered my jacks down. I stayed on the fifth wheel hitch. I just lifted it enough so it took the pressure off.
And we added our blocks because the ground's a little soft.
Yeah, the ground's, you know, it's kind of like sawdust, dirt kind of stuff down here. No big deal. So I just pulled up there and just backed her right in. I had a couple farmhands come out and help me. And it wasn't difficult at all. If you have a shorter rig than us, you could probably take the little dirt road up and around. Of course, we're pretty long.
Yeah, we're locked in.
Yeah, they keep the gates padlocked. Other animals here.
Oh, I see the road there now.
Yeah, it's a little road that goes around, but we're a little too big for that. So here's some horsies. Hello, horsey. What you guys doing? Now the owner said that we're supposed to go like this. Then, yeah, it's a good boy or girl, whatever you are.
Feed you, though.
I know, maybe later, because food time is coming. Yes. Do you want to get petted too? What do you think? What do you think? Oh yes, you're a good boy too, aren't you? Yes. Okay. So we're gonna meet up with the owners a little later on, around dusk. That's when they're gonna feed. So we're gonna walk around with them for that. And we also just got invited to a barbecue this afternoon, or this evening, I mean. So gonna take them up on that as well. So again, you can look these guys up on Harvest Host. It's Saddlehawk Ranch. Hello, buddy.
Donkey.
Oh, you're a little nervous? You're a little nervous? Yeah. It's okay, buddy. Okay. You want to get petted? No. He's not happy. He don't want none of that. We're gonna move on. Now we might get a dog barking at us here in a minute. I don't know. So I've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's some over there. Maybe 20. Oh, there's some back there too. So maybe 20 horses and donkeys here. Later on, I'll talk to the owner and I'll let you guys know what's going on. Why are they raising all these animals? I have no idea. Some are separated. Singles. Most of them are in pairs.
I think we were warned that one of them bites.
Yeah, one of them's not so happy, and there's a newborn over there. We're supposed to stay away from that one because Mama's not happy. Here, I see some people over here. Let's go see what they're doing. Here comes the doggy. Friendly doggies. He's a friendly doggy. What you doing, buddy?
He's a friendly boy.
Are you the friendly one?
Yeah.
You want to get petted?
Good boy. Yeah, you good
Watch out.
boy. There you go.
Yeah.
Like doggies.
Yes. Oh, you're so friendly. Yes, you are. You just want to get petted, don't you? Yes, you do. That's all you want. Let's turn the camera off.
Hey, what do you know? Not a whole lot today.
All right, guys. We just finished up a wonderful dinner, steaks. There's our chef, farmhand. There's a puppy. I know, he looks like a big dog, or she. She's only 6 months old. We got some sunset going here. Got some donkeys in the back. We got a pregnant one in there, so I'm not going to get too close. And they're somewhere hooking up a buggy. I lost track of that. They're hooking up a buggy. They might have already taken off on it. They hooked up a buggy to a horse, but I don't know where they went. There's a couple more. Oh, they're still putting the harness on the horse over there. There's a couple of them here.
Good.
So these here are for harness racing, right? The ones with just the 2 wheels?
No,
These are...
it's a Middlebrook cart.
Oh, okay.
The harness race is a lot smaller, light.
Oh,
very,
okay.
very light.
Yeah, that is pretty
Not
heavy.
much of a frame to it at all.
Yeah, I guess they got to be light. Super light.
Sit down and hope.
Yeah. Hank.
That there she uses, that's training.
Okay.
The nice thing about this one that is different than mine, you can get on and off real quick. Mine has a bar here, so if something happens, if you want to get off, you're stuck.
Yeah. Huh. Nice. So why is that chicken cooped up over there? I guess to keep the coyotes away, right? Some of them are out, some of them are not out.
They've been known to get them chickens.
He's a big rooster. What are you doing, buddy?
Mine, when I have them, just come from coyotes. And I think the owls are getting them.
He looks familiar. Red. Smaller version of ours, red.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's the wagon they're gonna hook up over here. So I think they're getting the horse prepared. Yep.
Yeah.
Saddlehawk Ranch. Ride more, worry less. Sorry guys, the sun is going down, so we're losing a little light. I might switch you over to the phone camera. Well, we got hydraulic brakes here. See the hydraulics down there?
Fancy.
That is fancy.
Did you lock the RV?
No, I don't even have my key on me.
Might go make a visit.
Something you're gonna find when you get ready or get rid
Here,
of
stick that in there. I'm done with that for now.
Do what?
Just stick that in there for me, in the fridge.
Makes you look short.
That's a big horse.
This is Heister.
What's the name?
Heister
Heister.
is the biggest one.
Is it? He is big.
I think he's like 16 hands.
Yeah, you're a big boy.
He's just a sweetie.
Look at you.
He wouldn't bite you or hurt you. He just was so careful about me, you know.
What's going on?
He said, "This is my girl." He does the buggy too.
Oh.
He's a Amish horse. Amish race, I think.
Whoa, well, what's happening? Where are we going? You want to get closer, huh?
Yeah, we didn't want to check.
You're trying to see what the heck this camera thing is. Yeah, you're on YouTube now. You're a famous horse.
This is Heister.
Heister, the famous YouTube horse.
Yeah, he's a buggy horse.
He's big.
He's a puller.
He's big.
Yeah, he's one of the ones I got on the fence and jumped on.
I'm 5'9", and he's pretty parallel right there. He's taller than me.
Yeah.
I gotta hold the camera up just get to the top of his ear.
Yeah, these were taken from the kill pen.
Oh my goodness.
Can you imagine?
No, I never even heard that before.
I hadn't either.
So he's marked.
Yeah, he was a racehorse.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he did a racehorse for a while, and then he was sold to the Amish.
So I don't understand why the Amish got rid of him. I guess just too old?
Well, he's 18.
No, that's too old for to pull in the buggies.
Too old for them.
Guys, you can't believe how big this horse is. There's some glasses down there. Somebody's sunglasses. Is that yours?
Yeah, mine.
You knocked them off your hat.
Yeah.